What up? So in this video I'm talking about the Bulletproof upgraded octane oil. So in theory it's all the benefits of coconut oil but up to 18 times more concentrated, and I believe that. I go with that. Now I have this daily. So I have like a fraction of a cup full, so a lid full, so I fill it up to like here, but you should tweak your dosages according to how used to it you are and what not. This I have in my Bulletproof coffee. So as I said, I have it every single day. This is from Dave Asprey and his Bulletproof brand, and I am a fan of him and his stuff. Dave, if you watch this, good job, buddy. Let's have a look at the ingredients in case you want them. There you go. So you can find this on his website. It's available worldwide, so there's no need to turn to sort of Amazon and what have you. I would just go to the Bulletproof website and buy this, and it ships all over the place, and there's also loads of other lovely products. Now I believe there are other alternatives to this around. I believe this is basically a C8, that's what it says here, a C8 oil. So it's like MCT oil but more concentrated, okay, and less likely to give you disaster pants than MCT. All right, so you can get C8 oils on the market, and if you wanted to play around with each and see how you get on with them, maybe test how quickly you can get into ketosis and things like that, and compare them, by all means. But this is the one I use. It's about, I think again, it's around about £20. You can see on the Bulletproof website. I think it's a little bit more expensive for us Brits than America, but that's fair enough because Mr. Dave heralds from North America anyway, so it's probably travelled quite a long way. As I say, it's a daily thing for me. This I have it in my Bulletproof coffee, and I do like it a lot. So check it out, do your research. But this is another nootropic that I wanted to talk to you about, or an exogenous ketone as well. All right, I'll see you in the next video.